Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove plants in Grow a Garden Roblox. Alright, let's begin. There are currently two main ways to remove plants in Grow a Garden. The first method uses a basic tool available to all players, the shovel. Simply equip the shovel, walk up to the plant you want to remove, and press on the leaf, not the harvest itself. Then confirm the action, and the plant will be deleted from your garden without giving you any harvest or seed in return. The second method is with a new tool called the reclaimer. This was recently added by the developers and can be crafted in the gear shop. To make one, you'll need a common egg, a harvesting tool, and some shekels. The reclaimer is also available through certain in-game events, so check event shops regularly. What makes the reclaimer different is that it allows you to recover the seed when removing a plant. So instead of losing the plant entirely, you'll get the seed back. For example, if you use it on a cauliflower plant, the plant will be destroyed and the seed will return to your inventory. However, you won't receive any of the harvested items, just the seed. So that's basically how you can remove plants in Grow a Garden Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.